morning, all. Ira Epstein with your morning flash update, and this update is for the morning of Monday, and we're at the 27th of February, 2023, about 8:12 a.m. Central Time. We're getting it's data day. We get so it's in a minute. Sales, we'll get that. Up in the that thing's just been continuing to explode out, where gold is much more valuable than the silver. And this is the dollar down today 30 points, and you're getting a bounce in a number of currencies off of that. That's interesting. As we come over to the energies, you've got to leave now the April Brent. It goes off the board tomorrow, so you want to move into the May. I'll have to change the ratios and probably go May. That'll be the best way to do it. Bonds and notes, stable. I think that's the word you want to use. You know, each time we come in for the weekend into the grain markets, one of the things you got to look at is South American weather. And you can see that in the mixed picture that we're getting right here. Bitcoin getting a little bit of a rally. Now, we're going to be having live webinar that is coming this coming Thursday. So I'll go right now to the news, and then afterwards I'll show you how you can, if you don't get an email from me, if you're not on my mailing, obviously you're not going to get one, and how you can attend it by just clicking up here. Let me get to that in a minute, but first let's go to the day's news. As you can see, advanced durable, I can look at it in one of two ways. On their own, it's down. Expected it down 4%. That's the cause of higher interest rates. But the moment I take out transportation, it flip-flops. You're up 0.7. The prior month was down 0.1. That becomes sort of interesting in itself. Advanced goods orders ex defense. Now you see that the market is slipping a little bit. Down 5.1%. The prior was up 6.3%, and that's out the defense orders. So I would view the report as saying, hey, interest rates are having a bite. The National Association of Realtors, January, they're looking for a 2.5% gain with interest rates. The regional outlook at 9:30 this morning. Last figure was a negative. In Europe, we saw consumer sentiment slip a little bit through there, missing expectations. And in the UK, it'll be interesting today because the UK is meeting with the European Commission trying to settle the issue with Northern Ireland. Let's take a look at and ask all kinds of questions of me. We cover the future. It's 20 minutes long. For our records, I do not post on the website or you miss it. That's how I operate these. It's at 12:30 p.m. Central Time this coming Thursday. Get it? Well, you can staff if you don't. But at any point, you can just move your cursor up here. If you're PC of any type, it'll take you right to the area where you sign up for it. And that's how you do it. Once you sign up, what will happen is you get ID in your resume. You can also your name and password. Ask me questions. So just click it. Those questions come right to me. It gives me a chance to prep the charts for you ahead of time and prepare everything. Because in 20 minutes, believe me, if you're asking me questions live, you want me to do all kinds of sliders and stocks, I don't have the chart set up. I do on the futures, but I won't in the other markets because there's thousands of them. I can't have them all set up. Give me the chance to do that for you, and we cover a lot of ground. Again, up here, I will see you all later today with our market wrap-up at the end of the day. Trade well.